Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1201 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have the do not disturb and make up room switches together with a slot to insert a key card for the room's power. We have a light switch right here for the wardrobe area and a power outlet down below. And speaking of the wardrobe area, here's an overview of it. Right above, we have a couple of extra comfort pillows. We also have lights behind the wardrobe area. On that side, we have an umbrella with a place to hang your stuff. Below, place to put your luggage with storage areas below. And I believe this one holds the in-room safe. And right down there to the left, we have the laundry stuff. To the right, we have bedroom slippers. And right here we have an ironing board, couple of bathrobes, hangers, an iron, and a torchlight. Okay, so here is the view of the room as you enter it. To the left we have a large mirror. And opposite the large mirror, we have the entrance to the bathroom with sliding doors. If we enter the bathroom, we have drawers below, storage, this side has the weighing scale. We have towels in the middle and the bin right there. Above, we have the bathroom amenities, towels, body lotion, bar of soap, the sink area, tissues, another mirror, with lights. And here we have power outlets for the shavers and a mirror with a light. Okay, moving on further inside, we have the we have the shower area right here with a towel. And it is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there. And the rain shower right above. We also have the Balmain soaps and shampoos and whatnot to the right of the shower. Here we have a mirror, a hook, the toilet is right here, and the final part of the bathroom is the bathtub. With a towel right there, the bath mat, and the shower head right there. Alright. So, moving on into the bedroom area, we have, not too sure what you call that, but I guess you hang your suits and whatnot on that thing right there. We have light switches right here. And here we have the pantry area with tea and coffee making stuff, the coffee machine, bottles of water, power outlets, a mirror. Here we have an empty fridge. While here we have the glasses and mugs, more glasses, and storage below together with the kettle. We have a power outlet down there. And right here on this bedside table, we have drawers below. Right above, we have the in-room telephone, the sleep menu, writing materials, TV remote, a power outlet, climate control panel, and light switches for the room. And there's a light right above. There's also a light behind the headboard. Here we have the very nice and comfortable bed with a sofa-like thing in front of it, and a flat screen LG TV right there. There's a bin right there, desk area with a desk chair, the light. We have storage down there. And here we have a USB-A port, a HDMI port, and a couple of power outlets. Table right there, the sofa, a light right there, and here we have the other bedside table with a drawer, storage below, a light, more light switches, and a power outlet. As for the view out, we have the car park behind the hotel and the buildings and housing areas again behind the hotel. I believe that is Pavilion Damansara Heights that just opened with the Tesla showroom, and also the Lotus showroom is in there as well. And we can see the buildings and whatnot behind the hotel as well. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1201 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. Thanks for watching and goodbye.